Welcome to another video episode on my Raspberry Pi 2B, which runs Ubuntu Linux and the robot operating system ROS. It's connected to a monitor, currently inactive, and serial cable for controlling the board on low level. Also connected to a network cable, currently hidden, which is used for VNC. With the band cable I can control this board with some electronics and fischertechnik, and more specifically a motor and a phototransistor with LED, light emitting diode. The robot operating system works with messaging, so a message is sent to the motor node to let it run. A message is sent from the phototransistor to the LED, and then it is supposed to make it burn. Unfortunately, that doesn't happen the way I intend to, so that's some work to do. And on VNC I have two desktops in which I control everything with the software, and because of lack of space I'm also using a MacBook with an extended display. So let's go to the software. Sees everything runs, and if I can get the phototransistor to work. ROS works with publishers and subscribers, so the main control publishes things and a motor subscribes to it, and then this is a subscriber to the control but also a publisher to the LED. And for a better explanation, we take a look at the software. And this is then the software side on the Fedora Linux laptop. VNC desktop 1, VNC desktop 2, and desktop 4 is running via the MacBook. Missing out 3, which is on an Android tablet, but that is with a camera. With the cameras that I use is not really good visible, unfortunately, but I can try, of course, and see how things work out. Anyway, this is the desktop that I use for starting a ROS core. Without the ROS core, not ROS core but ROS core, it has to run in order for ROS commands etc. to be connected, to be acceptable. Then this is for control. I have to run it, so let's start. And then I have a motor node. Let's start it. And here are all the softwares that, or the source code that I need now. And yes, then phototransistor has to run. And you can see here that the motor is running from time to time, and it says no light, which is obvious because there is no light. So if I put flashlight on it, then it should say yes, I have light. The idea is that there is a signal sent to the FT LED, which is this one, but there's a problem now for receiving something. This is the fischertechnik LED. This should give something, but here is a culprit right now, because I want to give a number, which I tried before, but that doesn't work as much. So if photo is 1, sorry, mixing up with Dutch. So if photo is 1, then I want to have something here. Then I want to send it through to this node, but that's not quite working. So I need to know what the content of SS is, and here I am sending it, but what I am going to do now first is print it on screen, so I know that SS2 actually contains what I want it to contain. So let's do that first. Okay, I have now put a ROS info statement, which is the same as a print screen, but then for ROS, or print to screen, for ROS with a timestamp. So that will be output like this. I've saved it, but I've not yet compiled it, and that's a nice thing to do, because I have to stop phototransistor and LED. And this is not even running, so let me also run this one, and then you immediately see that red LED is doing something, and for some reason suddenly this one starts working, which is not quite the idea. Oh, look at that. No, that is not quite the idea. Covering up. No, that is not what I intend to do. What I intended. Does it have some delay? Possibly. Although I do see that here is also something wrong. Anyway, I need to compile this one, which is the phototransistor. So let me name it. Oh, it can't be named. Right, never mind. Stop this one. That's good. Stop this one, which can't be stopped right now, but using the Mac I will compile it and see whatever happens. So let's go there. Alright, and so I'm now using the VNC on the Mac. And here I am in this window for click and make, which now I am in the window. Get, come on, get kin. Why is this not doing as I like? Get kin make. That should be it, but does it? Looks like it. Alright. Go. And it should only be one file that it compiles, which is of course the phototransistor file for now. And that is also listed in purple and in green. Having no clue how long it works out, but that's for completeness sake. Stop the other nodes as well, although that should not be strictly necessary. As far as I know. And oops. What goes wrong then? I have made several typos, I think. Alright. This should be percent string and the D goes away. Alright. Next attempt. Typo fixed, I hope. Go. Oh, and stopping the control. Motor, should it be stopped? Oh, still problems. Having 2%. Yeah, it's hard. It's difficult readable on the screen like that, but let's then remove the final one. Right, go again. Hard readable characters. That's those are difficult typos to fix. Now I have indeed only one, but what's wrong with this one? Can't tell honestly. Alright, what I'm going to do is something different then. I have to rewrite part of the code. So I have to rewrite a part since this code seems not to work. Cancel out. So I'm now saying okay, C out, and this is pure C++ printing code. And I can just do it like this. Put it on screen. No hassle. Whatever is in there, we'll see. It can also be that this is wrong, but let's first see if this compiles correctly. And with the wrong one hopefully taken out, although the red LED is clearly still working, but that is not the compiled one. And now it's linking, so this should work. Alright, control, yes. Motor is working. Then phototransistor is working. And now I should be getting here something in the sense of 1 when I now use this one. Phototransistor, yes, but where's my 1? Because now I should see something. And I don't see it. Alright. Let me test it again, write it again. So I say, oops, I say no. Why? Come on. Right. Insert. SS2 is right. This should be clear. No, this is going wrong, obviously. No. That is better. And now compiling again. Just this one should be alright. And compiling obviously on the MacBook. Waiting for it to get ready, and that should be doing fast, but who knows what happens. And then there it links and it is done. So let's run it again with this one, with it, phototransistor. Look what is here. Oh, that is not a 1. It is the content of S2, but S2 does not contain ooh. This is not what I expect to see at all. Right, so I have a count. Count is, look at this, count is something. Count is 0, it is an integer, obviously. Alright, I'll have to spy on my original, which is good, which is very good. So why doesn't this work? Why is this not working? This is strange. An hexadecimal number. Yeah, that is not going to work out. How to fix that one? Good question. Two things to go on with. First of all, what was quite worrying is in phototransistor that it continuously, despite not shining this flashlight on the phototransistor, it kept saying S2, which is impossible because if photo is 0, it should not do that. Then now I have put an SS2 difference. First I add a photo, the value of photo, then printing whatever should be in it, adding count, and then print that one. So now let's run it. Alright, so far so good. Now printing or shining. Right. Where's S2? Okay, making a mistake there. Which is easy to fix. C out, and then I say new line, and here as well new line. So on Mac, once again a quick compiling. In the meantime, stop this one and the test went quite quickly. If not, there's something else wrong, but I let everything run, just run, including the FT-LED, and now it's finished, so I start it again. And see, that is better, in the sense that it's not better at all. So whatever 1 is, I don't know. Okay, time to figure out how to add an integer to a string then, because that is the culprit right now. Well, I have checked it and it is exactly the way I'm already doing it, except that now I have added else if digital read is 0, photo is 0, and of course for being safe I can just add these 2 lines, also here, and I add just the word no, and here not, so that I really do know that it is not running. And then hopefully this will make it better. But now as well it says just it is 1. Well, it's not being shown from the, so that is not quite clear as yet. Stop this one and well, let's compile and see how ever that goes. Right, so let's compile again. Should be a quick one. and then it may help if I stop everything. Well, it has stopped linking and it has built, so that is good. And here, by the way, I had to stop the motor because the motor didn't stop automatically, the node that is, so I still don't know why that doesn't happen just like that. It's running now and it's no problem because I'm not working on that node, so no issue. Right, let's test again. So let's run again, go for it, and well, this is obviously from this part because it is 0. Now I'm shining on it. Now it detects it. That's good. But look at S2 right here. Making no sense at all. So the value that is given, is that the value that I like? Not really. So what is the value anyway? And I'm going to test that right now. So I have to stop this one again because I have to recompile. But right now I am here, that's good. And I will say, alright, C out. Photo pre-if wait, not entirely correct because here's a quote, and pre-if and quote, and this will be photo, and of course and it was a new line. So then I know what photo actually is. And back on the Mac, compiling. Should be quick. There's only one node being compiled, which is quick thing. Yep, linking, and that's it. So let's see whatever happens now. It's 0. It is actually 0. Alright, now I'm very curious what will happen in this way. Phototransistor. Pre-if is 1. Oh, look at that. And pre-if is 0 and pre-if is 1. Oh, look. So that is very nicely transferred. However, whatever goes to SS2 is utter rubbish. And according to the C++ documentation, this should work with string stream. If you add just a number, then the number has to appear there. So a 1 and not some hexadecimal number 0x and whatever, because that is clear, is absolutely hexadecimal. But why is this not working? Something clearly goes wrong here. And as long as this goes wrong, I don't even have to check for the fischertechnik LED right here to be in order, because this depends on this, and if this doesn't work, right. Anyway, time to wrap this episode again, and the mystery to solve. So that's it. Motor working, that one is working obviously. Well, the elements are working, but not the way I want them to work. Yeah, well, so to be continued. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment, a suggestion, being either with ROS, the way I record it, suggestions, hints, whatever. Or if, or you can also say, quit doing this. You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter. Please show your appreciation if you do with by donating to PayPal or via PayPal or Wyatt banking. More information under this video, and you can also choose to become a patron, and depending on the pledge you make, may have your name mentioned on my website and videos. Like I said, this is going to be continued. So take a look at the comments under the on the well, not the comments, but the description box under the video. Have a nice day, and bye bye.